Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that looks beautiful, modern and fresh without spending a lot of time styling your hair, these ideas are perfect for you. As we get older, our hair can change. It may become thinner, softer or more difficult to manage. That is why a good haircut can make such a big difference. The right cut can give your hair shape, movement and a lovely natural look. Let's look at some simple and stylish haircut ideas. First is a classic short bob. A short bob is one of the easiest hairstyles to maintain. It can be cut around the chin or slightly above the shoulders. This style looks neat and elegant and works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. You can simply brush your hair and let it dry naturally. For a little texture volume, use a simple amount of styling mouse or lift the roots while drying. Next is the layered bob. Layers can make the hair look lighter and fuller. This is especially helpful if your hair feels fine or lacks volume. The layers can also give your hairstyle beautiful movement. You do not need complicated styling. A quick blow dry or even natural drying can create a soft and relaxed look. The pixie bob is another beautiful option. This haircut gives you the best of both worlds. It has the easy care of a short haircut but still has enough length to create different looks. You can wear it smooth, slightly messy or with soft waves. It is a great choice for women who want something stylish without too much daily work. Now let's talk about the shoulder length bob. The long bob, often called a lob, is perfect if you do not want very short hair. Another idea is a soft shag haircut. A modern shag does not have to be wild or difficult to style. Soft layers can give your hair natural volume and movement. This style is especially nice for women who like a relaxed and youthful appearance. You can let your hair dry naturally and use your fingers to arrange the layers. For women with fine hair, a blunt bob can be a great choice. A blunt haircut keeps the ends looking fuller and thicker. It has a clean shape and does not require complicated styling. You can add a little volume at the roots or simply wear it smooth and natural. The simple shape makes this haircut very easy to maintain. A short layered haircut is another excellent option. Short layers can add texture and movement while keeping the overall haircut easy to manage. This style works beautifully with natural gray hair as well. If you have some natural waves, the layers can help bring them out. A small amount of styling cream may be all you need. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.